Hello children, welcome to General Science class. Today our topic is food. Where does it come from? Food. Any substance what we eat is called food. Maybe that is rice, chapati, roti, vegetables, raw vegetables, fruits, bread, biscuits, anything. So where does it come from? Food mainly, the sources of food is plants. And we will get some food from animals as well. But the main source is plant. So food, where does it come from? So topics to be covered in this chapter are food variety, food sources, the plant source and animal source, plant and its parts, and what are the food materials we will get from animals, and what animals do eat. First, food variety. There is a lot of variation in the food in different regions of India. From place to place, India is a vast country. You can see here so many traditions, culture as well as so many food habits. From state to state, place to place, the food habits varies, different from one place to another. That's why there is a lot of variation. So here, food variety. To prepare any food material, any food item, we require some material. For example, rice. To cook rice, to boil rice, we need raw rice and water. So these raw rice and water we are called as ingredients. What are the raw rice and water? The materials which are using to make particular dish or food item, those materials are called as ingredients. For example, chapati. Chapati you want to make. So for chapati, what are the ingredients? Yes, atta flour, wheat flour, plus salt, plus water. So these three materials are considered as ingredients. The materials which are very necessary, essential, very important to prepare one particular food item, those materials are called ingredients. By using these ingredients, we can make more than one food items also. Okay, so this is a variety of food. And second one is the food sources. So already we discussed the food main source is plant. We will get food from plants. Plants can make their own food. Plants can make their food themselves through the process photosynthesis. But animals including humans, we will get food from plants only. So we have to depending on plants. So from plants we will obtain some of the food material. Most of the food materials we will obtain from plants. For example, vegetables, fruits, cereals, pulses, spices, so many. And animals, yes, from animals we will get milk. From milk we will get cheese, buttermilk, curd, and meat, chicken, mutton, right, eggs. So these are the food sources. So what is the food source? Plants and animals. The main basic source is plants and animals also. From animals also we will get from food. Next one is plant parts, plant and plant parts. So you already learnt in previous classes. Plant parts, roots, stem, leaves, flower and fruit. So these are the main basic plant parts. So in these parts, which part is edible? Edible is nothing but eatable. Okay. So in some plants we eat root. So for example, sweet beetroot. Sweet beetroot and carrots are the roots, but that roots are edible, eatable. Next, leaves, some leafy vegetables. Flower, cauliflower and pumpkin flower. Next, fruits means vegetables, brinjal, tomato. Means the plant fruit is nothing but we are using as a vegetable, but here it is a fruit, right? So next, stem. So like that, what are the edible part of the plant? And we will discuss about plant and its parts and what are the uses of that plant part. Next one is what are the food material we will get from animals. Yes, milk, meat, eggs, etc. And last one is animal food habits. Animals, based on what animals they eat. So based on this, we can differentiate animals into three main categories. What are they? Omnivores, carnivores and herbivores. So what do you mean by herbivore? Herbs, only plants. Herbs, only plants. So the animals which are eating only plant and plant products. The animals which are eating only plant and plant products are called as herbivores. What are the examples for herbivores? Yes, cows, buffaloes, horses, goat, etc. we can take. Next one is omnivore. Omnivore, the animals which are eating plants as well as animals. The animals which are eating animals as well as plants, both. For example, yes, humans, dogs, owl, crow, etc. you can take. Bear also, bear. Next one is carnivore. Carnivores is the animals which are eating only other animals. They have to depending on other animals. For example, lion, tiger, cheetah, etc. So, what do animals eat? Based on this, we can differentiate animals into three categories: herbivores, carnivores, omnivores. Understood all of you? Herbivores, herbs, plants. The animals which are eating only plants, herbivores. The animals which are eating only animals, carnivores. The plants which are eating only plants as well as animals, both they can eat. So this is the differentiate. We can differentiate animals into these three categories based on their food habits. This is about your introduction, children. In next class, we will discuss about food variety and ingredients. Meet you in next class, children. I hope all of you understood. Thank you.